Dolčeova lista je lista najfrekventnijih i najčešće korišćenih reči u engleskom jeziku koji je sastavio Edward William DOLCH. U prethodnom videu bavili smo se imenicama. Danas nastavljamo sa našim rečima, očekuje vas 52 nove reči. Ako vas zanima, ostanite do kraja sa mnom. Ćao svima, moje ime je Daniela, po zanimanju sam profesor engleskog jezika i na svom kanalu se trudim da vam prikažem učenje na jedan drugačiji način. Ako vas to zanima, razmislite da se pretplatite i kako ne bismo dalje gubili vreme, krećemo sa našom temom. U današnjem videu uvešću vas u 52 nove reči na sljedeći način. Neće biti po principu sight words, odnosno samo da ih čujete i da pokušate da ih upamtite. Ja ću vam danas davati rečenice i prevod, dakle vežbat ćemo upotrebu tih reči u rečenici. Krećemo. All. All animals have to eat in order to live. Am. I am a teacher. Are you hungry? At. There's someone at the door. Ate. I ate a sandwich yesterday. Be. I'll be right back. Black. My shoes are black. Brown. My eyes are brown. But. I think that's true, but I'm not sure. Came. We came by car. Did. Where did you go? Do. Do you like it? Eat. Do you eat meat? 4. Most animals have 4 legs. Get. He went to the shop to get some milk. Good. The weather is really good. Have. Do you have a sister? He is tall. Into. Let's go into the garden. Like. Do you like fish? Must. I must go. New. This is my new car. No. Do you like it? No, I don't. Now. I'm not hungry now. On. The books are on the shelf. Our. This is our son. Out. I jumped out of bed. Please. Could I have a tea, please? Pretty. She's so pretty. Ran. I ran a mile. Ride. I can ride a bike. Saw. I saw you yesterday. Say. Never say goodbye. She is 5 years old. So. The house is so beautiful. Soon. See you soon. That. Who's that? There. Put the chair there. They. They're very nice people. This. This is my car. too. It's too hot. Under. It's under the bed. Want. I want some chocolate. Was. It was me. Well. This is a well-paid job. Went. We went into the house. What? What time is it? While. I didn't drink at all while I was pregnant. Who? Who are you? Will. Susie will be there. With. He lives with his mother. Yes. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. U komentarima mi ostavite odgovor na ovo pitanje Do you like apples? Ako vam se video dopao, molim vas lajkujte i podelite. Sigurno ima onih koji žele da provežbaju ove reči. U sljedećem vas očekuje nastavak ove liste. Vežbajte, ponavljajte ove reči, vežbajte da ih koristite u rečenicama. Mi se vidimo kroz nekoliko dana. Hvala vam na pažnji. Doviđenja.